click this link, DeepMind, and click Google AI Studio, get API key, create API key. The moment when you create, it will ask search Google Cloud projects. You can write any cloud projects, my first projects, my second projects, it's up to you. And then it will create. Very good. Now, okay, just wait, Bhupi. Rest of them, let's complete everyone. Then we go back. So can you Google Generative AI? Can you install this library? Very simple. Do you see I'm installing my library or not? Done. Very good, approve. Generative AI codes are very easy compared to others. Everyone done? The first, second, third, 3 lines. Done. Very good. Now, so first we get the key and install Google Generative AI. So we work Generative AI projects which launched by Google. Google generates the API key. We copied it and we done this. Okay. Now import numpy as NP. How do we write, guys? The same way, import Google Generative AI at Gen AI. Let's create alias because I don't want to write every time as Google.generative AI. So I take Gen AI and Gen AI configure. I'm saying, can you please configure the API key? Because in rest of the code, I don't want to show my API key to multiple times, guys. You guys getting my point? So that's why to not show this API key multiple time, just create a config on this now. Done this part. How many? Just 3 lines of code. Create API key, os.environment, pip install Google Generative AI, then import Google as create alias for Gen AI and set up my key. Now, the first, how many model we have? 1.5 Pro, right guys? 1.5 Pro. So Pro 1, the latest one is 1.5 Pro. So can you please, who created this model? Gemini 1.5 Pro, Gemini 1.5 Flash. Who created this, guys? Google created or not? And we just download the model. We just copy the model and paste here. Let's go and execute. And done the fifth line code. Done the fifth line code. Done. Online team, does everybody's working? I response only from Apurv, Hina, Naresh, and ons. Create a variable. See, now I'm saying, hey, model, can you generate a content? Python developer job roles? Now, LLM developer job roles. I create a prompt. This is a text or not? Encode. I'm a user. Enter the text. I need to know my information. Do you see, guys? My model response. In 5 lines of code, today we done first generative AI project. Now look at this. ChatGPT also you gain similar type of responses or not? Let me know. Okay, do you see this, guys? A growing landscape. So core LLM, research scientist, machine learning engineer, data scientist, NLP engineer, prompt engineer, LLM ops, these techniques required. Now, if I ask same questions to ChatGPT, are we generate this content creations or not? Amazing or not, guys? So today, the first projects of generative AI is text-based model using Google Generative AI. The name of the project is text-based, okay, custom text-based model. It's a custom means what? I created. So let me know how many of them done. Please comment it And can I go ahead to the advanced model 1.5 flash? Can you activate that and run it and check your response? The response is more accurate now. Check it. I want you to check your questions. I don't ask you to question. See, compare the previous output, this output, which is more answer oriented. So I don't know how many of them understand what I'm speaking, but I really feel amazing how the Gen models are more improving. See guys, 1.5 Pro is an old model. Flash is a latest model. And then increase to 7. Okay, that's 7. So install Gen as approve import OS. What happened? What happened upon this one? Try this, guys. Actually, I supposed to complete these projects, but today due to yeah, no sir, everyone shared the code. Okay, that's okay. Let's leave it. The code, okay. So don't work now. Can you check your comparison of previous output to this output? You see some differences offline team? Would you find some difference or not? I'll give you later. Third one. Yeah, flash one. Now, August 27. What is today's date? September 11, right? August 27. Exactly. The Gemini, Google introduced a new model. Can you try this now? Gemini 1.5 Flash 8 billion experience, which released on August 27. Now see the response. Execute. And now execute. Look at this LLM developer job roles. Mind blowing, man. Do you see this? Look at this. Crystal clear job role. First, the field of large language is rapidly growing, creating diverse and exciting career opportunities. Here, first, you can apply for researcher. If you apply for a researcher, design and conduct experiment to evaluate LLM performance, publish research and finding academic journals, research because you research LLM engineers, develop, implement LLM infrastructures and pipelines, manage, monitor LLM deployment using Langsmith. I'll tell you later. Do you see a detail now? Which is better? Pro better, Flash better, or Flash with updated one is better? Information is more clear and concise. Pretty good. Now, are we content generations easily or not? But my question in today's projects, being a user, being a developer, are we load any data set? Yes or no? No. The data trained by API keys. That API key created by Google. That's why AI generated the content from text. That's why we call text-based model. It's amazing or not? So actually we don't have time, but okay, just if you wait, we'll work on other projects. Same. Can we go ahead to the next projects? Or online team? Sir, it gets the data from the internet and gives the output. That's right, Srikant. But see, there's a question. From the internet, there are more data are there or not? But see how LLM models are filtered, the data, and give you the accurate responses. That's called fine tune, pre-tune. So that's why if you compare the difference in resume, you mention the LLM model comparison from Pro versus Flash with 8 billion experience, 827. What is this month, guys? September. We will work same projects on after 4 months. They might be released new models, guys. Then see the contents are more accurate now. Guys, are you getting my point? What I'm speaking or not? So after 4 months, Will it give for any role? Sagar, what are you asking, man? It's very demanding nowadays. Do you see this? Wait, we'll come back. So these projects, are you complete? Can I move on to the next one? Let me know, please. Let me know, please. Or tomorrow. Today or tomorrow. What do you want? All companies, see, let me tell you, experienced people, your VP, AVP jobs, everything is gone. You don't know that. I will tell you why tomorrow. Okay, VP, AVP also. Let's go ahead. Can you please try this code? I will post it now. I don't want you to go to the notes. So which projects we done? Text-based model projects. We come offline team complete, everyone. Guys, or you got output? We see the comparison. Okay, now go home. You pass any text. Can you? I post one code. Can you copy and paste in your notebook? Execute. See, what is this? Import path library. Import text wrap. So these are, see, import math. These are modules or not? So similarly, path library, text wrap, these are the modules. We import Gen project or not? From display images, markdown, and we create a small functions, text.replace, return markdown, I mean lambda functions. I'll tell you all those things later because define functions we haven't complete, but still I want you to go ahead and execute. Are your executions done? Everyone done? Can you please write this code? For model, M means I consider it as a model, Gen AI. I'm saying, hey model, can you please display the list of the model, guys? I mean to say, what is the meaning of this, guys? Whenever you have full stop, star, replace with colon, replace with empty space. That's the meaning of this. Understand, Bhupinder? Very simple. Replace. Have we done replace or not before in ADA part? Now, do you see the moment when you execute these many models Google developed? Just one second. These many models. Many of them people know till up to this. When I explain my previous batch, I don't have this content, guys. Now these models are generated. Are you guys done? Okay. Just one second. See, I shared this code. Can you please type? I mean, I post in the classroom. Okay, guys, please complete. One, do you see Google has launched new models? This if how many models we have? First 1.0 Pro latest, Gemini Pro, now Pro Vision latest, 1.5 Flash, Flash latest, and this is latest model was launched on 8/27. So when I call my latest model, the my accuracy was my output content was more accurate or not? Isn't it, guys? Now next one, just go here and try. Okay, now can you create this one? Model.generate content. You ask any questions, I write these questions. What is meaning of dream and goal? When you check this, which model I hold? This model I hold now, right? Which model I hold, guys? The latest model. Now, do you see my model generate my content? The same things when you ask these questions to the prompt, my chat GPT create this response. Google also create this response. Meta AI also create these responses or not? Team, I hope understand, guys. Yes, team. Guys, are you done this one or not? Okay, I will copy and let's paste here. Everyone, offline team, how many of them completed? Just very good, nice. So you understand how the text-based model we created? Now, can you do one thing and see, don't laugh. I will try to post my image. Just wait. I'll copy this code and let's post. Can you please cue this? Let me know once you're done. CURL curl. This path is given by Google to us. So I copy and give it to you. Clear, guys? So my questions, are you completed up to this now? 14th line, just one second. Can you please check this 14th line? 13th line, you just nothing response model dot generate content. There is no code at all, guys, this one. To load image to the drive, how to, can you click this file? Look at my cursor, this one, and just close, and here, click this one, and do you see these options? Are you able to see that? Just upload. You take any image of yours and upload. Here you have image.jpg. So the image will load to this file, copy the path and paste here. And now load your image and I'll tell you. So today, which model? 1.5 Flash? I'm asking to please generate a content from this image. Do you see my model think this is a photo of man in a black and white plaid shirt. He is looking at the camera, yes, with a serious expression. He appears to be recording a video with a small camera on his shirt. Amazing. And upload. And let's execute now. Let's execute same one. See how the content creations. See the explanations. Okay, this appearance to be photo of screen grab of a person giving presentations of video. That's nice. Here's a man with bald head. Nice. Do you see this, guys? Okay. So of course it's a true. That means the model also recognize I have hair or not. So here, a man with bald head and a beard, he seems to be the subject of the image, likely to be presenter. Yes, I'm a presenter. A checked shirt, he is wearing black and white checked shirt. Next one, possible recording equipments. There's a small device clipped to his shirt. Man, it's speaks like someone is inside, isn't it? So here, which could be a microphone or similar piece of audio recording background. The background appears to be neutral. Look at the background. To be neutral, possible gray color. Exactly, the models recognize the color as well. And then there's also a hint of another image or screen behind him. It's like that image is related to video presentations where the man is given a talk. Yes, I'm speaking. Do you see how beautiful this project's, guys? This is called AI. You never done in Java, C++. भूल जाओ उसको. Superb, amazing, got it. Eighth wonder, fantastic. Analysis is more accurate, yes. Now, the model was launched on when? 8/27? If the model was launched on after 2 months when I explain the projects, now the content is more. He will tell how many hair in your head. Now, definitely I don't have any hair, but it also tell micromanagement, guys. So do you see that's called Gen AI? Now every industry want to migrate. VP, AVP jobs are gone. I'll tell you why. So this is just a project. I want you to heads up on how to work with Collab. So I want to conduct more workshops, try to research. Things would be very interesting, man. You can't build this. This is multi-model architectures. Internally, it called transformers, neural networks, all those things. In the base, do you see its give response? The horse image is symbol of purity and a good starter for any auspicious work. I mean, see this. I want to start my Gen AI classes with good vision. So that's why I show you the horse symbol. It's a symptoms of winning. Understand, guys?